Bishop Angor ngesda Esumuniki tapugan koyaite President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni kanu achamakininges ajautor Mary kwape akeberu mam erai Morris nertingesinu kutupite eponele jatari akwapininuche no achamakitai ikiliok aduk bonik kabonik ido angoroda bonik kaboni.
Your Excellency, it's a great delight to have you in this congregation this day. Please allow me to make some recognitions as it is befitting. Standing behind you is my beloved wife Mary. I thank God so much for the leadership of His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. His emphasis is that I should be with Mary, not Morris.
Malinga ngesi abu inerak ilukumin luangor natari teso kere obalebe ipunoi ipudesha lu angor imoriarite adukyo na ekanisa lo Apollon loka appetite kana o P.A.G. Mamnges abu oina kite diobore toma akanina ibis itunganan konye abu Esumuniki te jokan ebe elos ngesi ay todolikin ay mony ngin kere omesa a Vice President.
Her Excellency told me to say that she is grateful that you extended an invitation to her to come and close this conference. I therefore bring apologies from her. And she has asked me to pick all those requests and aggregate all of them. And be able to forward them to her.
Adiope kotoma Angor ko General kwape Mary Mwaneka ngesi Esumuniki loka suban kanu ayaun Angor aisisha akironu edukete ikese town aidar ikilioko kesa asom sinenu re Monica ngesi balebe mam idio bore kere yene buni ay tapakes kapana na raijai emoyo la launan kwa kesi
wala jakate de kanwa ya onango ja beru na jai kingangi na kota isinyiko ikirijo ipukuja tukono kilikatana obia berejo ja choreta lwe dukete jo kwa pitunganan ja choreta lwe dukete konekal dukete ja sishana kini ja bere pole beto dare konekal pole bere ja dare kondwe daro klinikon dara kona kwan amboyo rangi na iboyo bia berejo soda pupun ngunu na dautede kesi kapiki noni kwa pangor ajenu te pole bedre daroki kalya ngara kebeneza ogo Apollo to mokaleka ajenu ne pole dar seka jakait ajenu pole dar seka kale elolo bobo esiniko kebeneza yogo aisisi amakine pole lebecho lenga imbono apote tojo kata kwa pe ayaito kolwe tolo sete aijana kina na Angor ebe joko duche ageare karu keda ina kine janka itedeke apak kana tana ainira kini kede sho ayenga kini sho ainyini kini sho keda itogogo ngoso terebo sida kikalia ada unula pio mukere oja gogo munaina kitiso lasu
Kanuka TV East Solomon Eramu Koibuga Soroti.